What's going on YouTube? It's Andre back with another great video for you. So make sure you stick around for this one because I'm going to share with you some work at home jobs that pay well and you can make money online. So the good thing about what I'm going to share with you, you can do these jobs remotely, you could do them full-time, you could do them part-time, and you can also do them anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, you could try out and apply for them and see if you get accepted. I wouldn't say it works in every country, but that's why I'm sharing you this video. So hopefully the jobs that I do recommend is something that's going to work in your country. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All right, so we're going to dive into the video right now. So the first website that I'm going to share with you is called Truffula. So what Truffula is, it's like a company that deals with e-commerce. If you know about e-commerce, Shopify, and people who have their brand. So their main focus is to help build other people businesses that need their brand. So as you can see all these people in the background, they're looking for people that are work with Amazon. They're looking for Amazon specialists. And I'll tell you where you can go and sign up right away. So it's an e-commerce group and they build that. So they create like video, they focus on scaling. So if there's a company that is doing, let's say 5,000 a month and they want to do 20,000 a month, these guys will come in, they'll work on their brand, they'll work on their Facebook advertising or Google analytics and whatever it is to help build that business. So they go into details, they grab all the data and they try to scale your business to the next level. So if you see right here, these are some ladies wearing some spandex. So you see the type of videos that they create. They create some top quality brand. And these are a great team. They have actors, they have people who basically just want to work remotely. So that's the good thing about it. So these are some great careers. You can click on the join tab, or you can go all the way up to the top right here and you click on careers. Once you click on careers, you could see all the different type of work from home jobs that you could do. Here are some perks and benefits. You get training budget, you get paid vacation, performance bonuses, access to co-worker working space. So some of these jobs you gotta have to go into their office and some of them are gonna be remotely. So I'm gonna scroll down so you could see what some of the jobs. So if you look right here, these are some of the jobs that are open right now. So they're looking for some administrative receptionists, anybody like in Uruguay. So if you click on here, you can see the things that they're looking for, covering the main reception, answering the telephones in a professional manner. So they need somebody on the phone right now. So very good with English. So if you're in Uruguay, you're watching this video, you got a college degree, you can do Excel, PowerPoint, all that type of stuff. You can sign up for this right away. So you look over here, they need people in Argentina, like accounting analysis. Amazon specialist could be a remote job. So if you come on here, they're looking for people that are remotely. So you gotta have at least three years experience selling in Amazon, stuff like that. And over here as well, they have like buy tech remote jobs. They got creative directors. There's data warehouse remote jobs, design lead jobs, direct response, copywriting. So if you come through here and you will see a lot of different jobs. They got a lot of work from home jobs that you could do and you could sign up. So come here, go to Truffula.com and you could sign up. Now we're going to move on to the next website. And the next website is called Toggl. Now Toggl, Toggl.com. Toggl is simple. They track like PowerPoint and report. So it's a tool that always track time, right? And it's a really, it's always like they track time and it's form of like I wouldn't say it's an app, but it's a great tool that people use. And company use this and they use it inside of their business. So they're looking for people that will sign up for this, right? And they need people that will work. So you could see like entrepreneur premium starter kit. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can click on the jobs section. Once you click on the jobs, you will see all the different type of jobs. You can watch this video if you want. And you can come over here and you can read up a little bit more about this. You can become a part of the team. The salaries start anywhere from like 50,000 pounds annually, and you can work from anywhere. So they're looking for back-end developer. They're looking for PPC specialist. You get 45,000 annually. You can work from anywhere. Product designer. That's people that they're looking for, like to test products. And you get like 48,000 just to do that every year. So if I click on it, you can sign up and you can use your Facebook to sign up. You can use your LinkedIn. You can use your GitHub, all that information. They're looking for product owner. You can make like $51,000 per year. So they're paying good money and they're looking for people. So 4 steps to join our remote team: skill test assignments, test week, CEO. So you get 3 to 5 days of paid work with our team to experience how it works together. So if you do get qualified, they fly you wherever, and 3 to 5 day paid work with the team. Man, this is awesome. So sign up for this. This is great. Just go to Toggl.com, and you can always go on to Glassdoor to check on the reviews, and you can learn more about their hiring process so you can get started with that. Now, the next website I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Collage.com. And Collage deal with about everything about photography, especially when it comes to like the holiday seasons, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. They always need people, and they have a lot of clients. So they're looking for people all over the world, right? I don't know if it's all over the world, so let me just double check, because the last time I checked, they're looking for people remotely. Yes, they're looking for customer service remote. They're looking for full-time customer support representative. They're looking for full-time in Michigan. They're looking for full-time in Missouri. That's US. That one is in the US. That's in the US. But just come through here and see if any of these engineering jobs is something that you could look for. So you could totally work remotely, and that's a good thing. These are remote jobs, and they pay good money. So it doesn't matter where you are. You can sign up for this, and you could work and travel and enjoy yourself, and you don't have to be stuck to an office all the time. So this is what people are doing these days: travel the world doing these type of jobs, and as long as you get the work done, you're good to go. Now, the next job that I'm going to share with you is Qkids. And I did spoke about this on, a while back now, but it's good because I have a friend on Facebook who's actually using Qkids, and he's doing extremely well, right? They guarantee you have to work at least 6 hours a week, but with him, he's like a beast. He works a lot because he loves it, right? And right now he's traveling. He's currently in Mexico right now. He's originally from Canada, but now living in Mexico, and he travels back and forth. Sometimes he's in Brazil, and I always see him travel a lot, and he works for Qkids. So that's why I wanted to share this with you, that you can come on here and you could sign up. So you can go to Google, type in Qkids, and you could see the website, because different country has different Qkids websites. So it doesn't matter where you're from. This is international. They're looking for people all over the world. So you can click on the job section here. And then once you click on the job section, being Qkid online English teacher, you can click on here. You could watch it. So flexible hours, part-time, you set your own hours. You work from home, work remotely, teach online from anywhere in the US or Canada. And you can earn from $16 to $20. So apparently this particular Qkid website, teacher.qkids.net, this is the America and the Canadian website. So that's why you see $16 to $20 per hour. So each 30-minute session, of course, different countries, they probably have different prices. Don't quote me on that. Just go to Qkids on Google and it will pull up your exact country. So all you got to do is just come on here, sign up. And these are some, work at home jobs that you can do, and you can make money online. So people have been asking about work from home jobs. So that's why I created this video for you. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments, show some love, like, share this with somebody, because I know it will help someone else out there. So like, become a part of the family, subscribe, and make sure you check out the first link in the description if you want to see what I do and how I started my own online business without being a boss. Because working for these people, yes, it is remotely, it is a great job, but you still gotta have to, you know, answer to somebody, right? You always gotta check in, you always gotta clock in with someone else. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Peace.